Hi, this is Sean with Data-Xtract. Today I wanted to show you how to utilize public information in your search. So lots of times that public information doesn't seem like it could really be valuable. But when you collect that data and use that data to cross it to other platforms, it can be very advantageous for you guys to find different candidates in the marketplace. That's what we're all trying to do, is find somebody out there that you doesn't have a big platform that other people are missing. And this is the tool to do just that and to do it efficiently. So I'm going to go ahead and show you a simple CPA search that you may be doing accessing public data. So we're going to go ahead and just go to cpadirectory.com. We're going to say this person, you want them to be in 46203 zip code. Alright, and you can add more zip codes to it, whatever you're looking to do there. But we're going to go ahead and start generating and gathering this data. So there's two different methods. You can use the simple method, and this works on pretty much any site, and it'll go ahead and look for that data for you. Now, once you become a little bit more advanced, or once you have other people that share templates with you, you can narrow that down and make that a little bit easier to navigate and go through. So, first name, last name, actual full name, length, Google link. Everything's pretty much written in XPath. It's fairly simple to learn. So that is something that we offer for training and help you out with templates and things like that. Visit office hours. They can walk you through exactly what that looks like. So here is the information that we just gathered. So I'm going to go ahead and say copy and background. And then I'm going to go to the next page, because we know it's going to take a lot of data to really find the person we're looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and copy in background. Scrape. Copy in background. And this could be used for pretty much anything. So say you were looking for a CPA or a tax accountant in the area to help with taxes or something like that. You could easily use this tool to do that. Great. Now, lots of them would probably be working for an employer, but there are several of them that are out there on their own. So, scrape. Okay. All right. Scrape. I don't know if it updated that or not. Must have. Copy in background. Alright, now the next step here is you have all the information, you have all the data. So you can download it through a CSV file. Okay. And all that information is there. You can save it as a project. So let's say 46203 CPA and save. And you can recall that project. Right there it is with all the data. You can share that project on the site to colleagues and different things like that as well. In keywords, we're going to go ahead and type in CPA, Indiana, Indianapolis, accounting, tax, audit. We're going to just go with that simple search. So the reason why I did keywords is it's going to be easier to navigate when we go through the next process. What that does is it highlights everything on your screen in regards to those words. Now everything needs to be separated by commas, and I should not have space in here. So that was a mistake I was about to make. And it does tell you that over in the little question mark off to the left. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and open links. And you can see it's already highlighting things there. And I could open up the direct CPA directory link, but it doesn't give you a whole lot. It gives you the license of the individual if you want to see that. But I really want to cross them over to other sites and see where they're working and contact them there, or try to find some personal contact information. So we're going to go Google And this does a search for us. So I'm going to go ahead and open them up. And you'll see that it opens up those the searches in the browser up here. So, and then it's going to go ahead and search accounting and tax and CPA on my screen for me, letting me know. So Craig Anderson looks like he works at Moss Adams. Let's see what Craig does. Okay, he's a partner there. And he specializes in tax. So with that, you have a direct number and an email address to get a hold of him, and a LinkedIn profile if you want to use that. Okay. And then you're going to see here, Nisha Amin, CPA. You'll see some My Life background reports. You'll see phone numbers on Been Verified. I don't know which ones of these are accurate or which are not. And that's all the information you really see about this person. You could search them on LinkedIn, but that may be a good avenue to reach somebody. Hey, I saw that you're potentially here in Indianapolis, a CPA, wanted to catch up and see if you're looking for opportunities or what you're doing. So let's move to the next person. Okay. So also, Jennifer must be a lawyer. So she's a lawyer where she graduated from Indiana University, and she's the vice president and chief. No, she's the vice president and chief at Indiana University. Okay, senior vice president and China chief financial officer. Okay, that's good to know. So that's where she's currently at. Information to gather, reach out to her. Joseph Ateria, CPA, financial reporting. So as you can see, crossing this information over into another platform gives us candidates that we're not seeing other places. So you can use this data, as I said, gather it for different job searches, and really find some candidates that you're not finding on other platforms. Or maybe they just don't have the information on those platforms to be searchable. So lots of times when I'm searching on a LinkedIn, per se, I will go in and I will type in CPA. And when I type in CPA, I don't find all the candidates because not everybody updates their profile frequently. Now, when it's a license and it's granted by the state, that's updated because it has to be updated. So that information, that public information, is easier to grab in that sense. So that is kind of what it looks like in regards to the platform and how to utilize it. I think I have officially bogged down my computer in regards to going through this information and recording it at the same time. So I'm going to end the video there, and any other questions you have, please reach out to our team and we'll discuss kind of how to utilize the tool a little bit better.